Hey everyone, if you're trying to decide between Charles Schwab and Webull for investing or trading, this video will break down the real pros and cons of each. Let's go. So Charles Schwab is a long-established brokerage known for full-service investing, retirement accounts and research tools. Webull, on the other hand, is a newer and app-first platform aimed at active traders who want sleek controls and zero commissions. So Webull's interface is fast, modern, and built for traders. Real-time data, technical charts, and fast execution, all optimized for mobile and desktop. Schwab offers a more traditional layout, great for long-term investors, but may feel clunky to active day traders. So in terms of the prices, both offer commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, but Webull charges for advanced data feeds. Schwab includes basic research tools for free and has lower fees for mutual funds, something Webull doesn't even offer. Now features, Webull shines in technical charting and extended hours trading. It's built for traders who want control. Schwab brings in powerful tools like Thinkorswim, robo-advisors, IRAs, and full-service banking. Okay, let us talk about security now and make a conclusion. Both are SIPC insured. Schwab has better customer support with phone, chat, and in-person branches. Webull's support is online only, which might not be ideal if you need human help fast. So if you're a long-term investor looking for retirement planning, Schwab wins. If you're a trader who loves technical analysis and mobile tools, Webull might suit you better. So guys, of course, make sure to tell us in the comment section below which service do you think is more suiting to you and your lifestyle and of course your goals. So drop your thoughts in the comments and check out the links, of course. Guys, like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video.